What's going on, Postcard Marketing Pros? Today we're doing another teardown. This is the first political ad that we have torn down. Let's take a look. Stephen Buss. Great. He's got his name, he's got his picture. What else could you ask for in a politician? Democratic Party County Central Committee. Don't add an acronym. People don't know what your acronyms mean. Get rid of them. So he doesn't need to say for DCC unless that's on the ballot, in which case you should mock it up so people can see what that'll look like. I like how there's another language here. Ideally, he would know if he's targeting folks in Chinatown. My home is probably on the border, so my guess is that he blanketed this to folks and he included the Chinese. I guess that would be Mandarin or Cantonese here. So 2020, that makes sense. The year, the big vote, right? The call to action is vote. No excuses, fix San Francisco. You should probably have a period after San Francisco. But, overall, I think this makes sense. The headline's the biggest thing. The offer is there. There's no language here for people who need it. I would say that DCC is not really a thing that people are going to know. But it's really the back of this postcard where things get crazy. Okay, he's for a better San Francisco. I hate that tagline. What does that mean? What is he going to do that's better, right? He's a software engineer because only a software engineer would design a postcard that has this much stuff on it. Pro-housing activists, still don't know what that means. First-time candidate, obviously. San Francisco must build more housing to be more welcoming to immigrants, new families, and young people. We must reform our regulations to make opening new businesses faster and cheaper. We must take housing affordable, house the homeless, and fix San Francisco. So this is the most generic platform statement I could possibly imagine. There's nothing specific here. Which regulations do we need to change? How are we going to house the homeless? What new families, like more welcoming to immigrants? How are we not welcoming to immigrants? Like, he needs to describe the change that he's going to propose here. Policies build more housing. Okay, again, that's what every politician here in San Francisco has said for the last 20 years. So more immigration. So is he going to get more people to come here? I don't understand what more immigration means. More homeless shelters. Okay, this at least is the first concrete thing that we've seen on this card. Like, okay, right now, one way that he suggests to fix the homeless problem is to improve the number of shelters and embrace change. Oh, I hate that. What does that mean? I do love this endorsed by. This social proof thing. Politicians are really, really good at this. Mayor London Breed, although I don't know why there are an asterisk here, because there's no... Yeah, there's an asterisk here, Mayor London Breed, which makes me think, doesn't sound like she endorses you if there's an asterisk, and the card doesn't really show an asterisk anywhere. Let's see if it's on the front. No, there's no asterisk. So this is very strange, right? Because it means I'm endorsed by Mayor Reed, but it's like endorsed by. So I like Yimbys. Yes, in my backyard. That's like a known organization, but I would say something like the only candidate that's endorsed by these people, and then also endorsed by or something, because I want to know that of my opponents that that these people endorse Stephen. So I don't actually know if he won, but I would say get rid of this like generic sentence. It's better just to not clutter the postcard. Love the endorsement. I might include pictures of people if you're talking about the mayor, or Scott Wiener's picture is very well known here. And I like this policy section, but I just wish that it would actually be more like a product where you actually provide solutions to people's pain versus I'm for more freedom and bagels stuff. All right, that's another postcard teardown. Congratulate yourself for learning a little bit more about postcard design.